And Jimmy boy. That's my prized possession there. That's my unbeatable so far, from what I can tell. He might as well be like 5-0. 5-0, Jimmy East. He's a blinker. Well, he's blind actually, one eye. And he's got his top beak broke about 3/4 way off. I've worked with it and got it back up and running. Let's get down here to ground level so you can see what we're looking at here. Here, buddy. Hell, he'll come right up to me. He eats out of my hand most of the time. Sure will. He's favoring that one leg there. Been working on him though, been doctoring him up. Rooster's been through more hell than Satan's been through. Poor fella. But he's alright. He's alright. He's tough. That's a tough bird right there. Prized possession. That's my prized possession. Gotta get some babies out of that one. He won't run away from me like that usually. It's just first thing in the morning. I hate that. His prop toe, had to cut his prop toe off. I had to amputate it. And that's why he walks so funny. But he's my broodcock and he's so damn smart. He's not scared one bit. Now, don't get me wrong here, but he's so damn smart. He won't come down here. He runs loose 24/7. Not one time has he came down here and tried to fight one of my other gamecocks through the wire at all. This here's my little speed racer. Sweater gray. Daddy was sweater gray, mama's sweater, red sweater, yellow legged. He's a speed demon. Never been fought. Good and he's in the moat right now. He's molting. As you can probably tell on his wings. Where's his woman at? There she is. I gotta get these cages fixed up. Get that wire stretched tighter. Got some work to do. Overall, I mean, you can tell I don't let it be dirty. Really. Needs to be cleaned up some in there, but I don't let them go dirty. Got them some new bowls coming in soon for water. Just really just got started here. And I've been around it all my life. My daddy's done it basically all my life. I mean, my uncle's in it now, and just raising, you know. It's just something I love to do, hobby. I love these birds. What can I say? These sweaters, boys, I tell you what, they're hard to beat. They are hard to beat. They are proven hard to beat. Hey, buddy, what you doing in there? I agitate him too bad here. Let's check him out. You know, man fighter, that's the crazy thing. He'll hit at me if he's in his cage, but I get him out, he's good to go. Anyhow, it's gonna be a sorry ass video. I know I'm not used to taking videos. Quite new to me actually. Alright, now we come over here. I've got them covered up right now at the moment, but there's a reason for it. There we go. There's my regular gray yellow leg sweater. Now he got a chance to pop through the wire time or two and messed his right spur up a little bit, this little neck hair, but he's coming through. He's coming through. He's fast. Listen here, he's quick now. He's quick. He's in moat. Not in full moat, but he's pretty damn close to being a full molt. Look at him prancing. I'm turn this thing sideways, I don't know what I'm thinking. Old boy about got him some from his new woman there. It's what we need, it's what we want. About the wrong time of year for it though, but yeah, it's his first hen ever, 3-year-old cock, 2-year-old cock. Yep. Peace.